E.C. Jacobs.
Hi. I have to say that I was born in New York City. I've lived here for over 4 decades, and I've never seen anything like this in my life. It was the most embarrassing, dysfunctional, inefficient, and poorly run election I've ever seen. And I do understand from reading the papers yesterday that you've received a 10% raise. I know that 10% raises, which I've never received in my life, more than like 1%, not even. 10% raises come when you've done an excellent job. This was a horrific job, okay? This was not only a botched job, it was embarrassing to the people who call themselves native New Yorkers. I cannot walk around like this until this is fixed. I do not like paying for people that you keep asking me to come and volunteer. We should come out and stop our jobs and help you with this. No, this is your, I'm sorry, this is your job. And what it says today in the New York Times, excuse me, in Tribeca, because I have, I'm sorry I'm getting so angry. I'm so embarrassed. This is so denigrating to me. I went to Stuyvesant, I went to Cooper Union, I went to the great schools of this city, I was born in the New York hospital, and I'm embarrassed as a New Yorker.
What's the poll site?
The poll site that I go to, because I am in a affordable housing program, allows me to live in the same neighborhood that I grew up in, which I could never live in otherwise, right? So I went to poll at Tribeca. You know how nice it is at Tribeca? You get donuts, you get coffee, and you get a massage. That's how nice it is there. Brooklyn, we know Brooklyn got completely robbed.
Time's up.
And no, my time is not up. I want to announce today, I'm sorry, I want to announce today that Bill de Blasio, since 2010, as the public advocate for New York, started investigation into the primary election process.
Time is up.
And I'm sorry, but since 2010, he's had 6 years. I don't care. He's had 6 years to fix it. Now is not the time to fix it. It was last week.
Next speaker, please.
Sarah McAllister. All right, girl.